soul food coming right up on Weekend at the Cottage. Welcome to Weekend at the Cottage. I'm Nick Manoilovich. Today I'm going to share a really fantastic dinner idea. We're doing stuffed sole. I'm going to finish the stuffed sole with a beautiful sauce made from sautéed shallot, a little bit of caper, lemon, tomatoes, white wine. Out of this world. Next time you have people coming over, make this beautiful entree, serve 6. All you need is a side salad and you'll have a fantastic dinner get together. Let's start with the recipe then. We're going to begin by making the stuffing for the sole. Into a large bowl, I'm placing 1 cup of cooked quinoa. Next step, I'm chopping up 6 tomatoes. After chopping them up, I'm taking 2 of those tomatoes, reserving them to the side for the sauce. The rest of the tomatoes go into the large bowl. I have a 1/4 cup of finely chopped yellow pepper. Then I have about 2 tablespoons of black olives. They're pitted and I'm finely chopping them as well. Last thing is a little bit of fresh basil, roughly chopped, and then a squeeze of lemon. Not very complicated stuffing. I want the flavor profile to be light and very fresh tasting. Next step in the recipe is to stuff the sole. I have a sole fillet onto a work surface. I take an ice cream scoop, grab a bit of the stuffing, place it onto the larger end of the fillet. It's going to kind of fall out a little bit, but gently roll it up. It's a very delicate fish. Once you roll it up, you'll see you can transfer it quite easily onto a parchment lined baking sheet. Go back and you'll continue until all of your sole fillets are stuffed. Once all your sole is stuffed on that baking sheet, final step, some fresh ground black pepper and then a sprinkling of salt. I like the seasoning on top just to kind of give it a bit of color. It's a white fish, so otherwise it would look rather bland. We're transferring our stuffed sole to a preheated 400-degree oven. We're going to bake them for 15 minutes. While they're baking, we're going to start to work on our sauce. Very easy to do. Medium skillet on stovetop, medium-high heat, melting 4 tablespoons of butter. Then I have 2 very finely diced shallots. They go in and allow them to cook for a little bit. Once the shallots get all nice and soft looking, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of capers, stir them in, and while they're coming to temperature, take a lemon. We're going to zest the lemon, put the zest to the side, cut the lemon in half, juice it, and add that lemon juice to our sauce. We're adding the chopped tomatoes. We're going to take about a 1/4 cup of white wine, pour that into your skillet, move them around in the pan, and then take the pan off the heat. I don't want them to get overcooked in this sauce. Right about at this moment, your sole is done. We bring our stuffed sole out of the oven. We're taking a flat lifter, and then I like to transfer them onto a presentation plate, line them all up in an attractive fashion. We're taking our sauce, a spoon, and spoon a little bit of sauce over each. It's fantastic. Final presentation point, we're going to sprinkle lemon zest on the top of our stuffed sole, and then it's ready to go to table straight away. At the end of this video, I'll give you a couple of suggestions on side dishes, simple salads that will go with this beautiful main course. I'd love to dig in and tell you how fantastic it is, but I can't. Instead, I'm just going to try the sauce, because I think the sauce is an important part of the recipe. Really bright. It's got a wonderful bite. It goes so perfectly with this very delicate flavored fish. Serve it up, enjoy it. I know you'll have great success. After you've done all that, why not head back and visit weekendатthecottage.com. While you're at our website, please subscribe to it. Then after that, head over to our YouTube channel. While you're there, subscribe there as well. And then finally, we love talking about good food, good friends, and good times. So reach out to us on one or more of your social media platforms, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. I told you I had some serious soul food. Ladies and gentlemen, this is it. Enjoy.